Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of Tumblr. So let's have a look now. Begin by opening your Tumblr account. In the left sidebar of your screen, you will find your account option. Click on it and here you will see the logout option. Click on it to initiate the logout process. A confirmation box will appear, asking if you are sure you want to log out. Confirm your decision to log out of Tumblr. And there you have it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.